Hey guys, what's up? So in this video we will have a look at modules in Ruby. So what are modules? Modules are very much like class and very much like not they are the same thing as classes, and they behave the way in many other languages you have seen libraries or modules. Maybe you call them modules in some languages also. So what do they do? Modules are like collection of your methods and sometimes constants also. So it's like many times, the normal tendency is to write methods inside the classes, okay, but many times there are some methods which they do not fall into some particular class, and many times they fall into many classes. Okay, so rather than writing them over and over again into many classes, or rather than just writing them here and there, what you can do is that you can write a module, you can put that class there, and then anywhere in your application, if you need to access those methods, you can just simply call them. So they kind of become your library methods. So that is the very normal use of modules. So suppose you want to square something, okay, so you can have a math module, and inside that you can define methods like square, methods like cube, methods like square root, and you can also define constants like pi. So this will be your module, and anywhere you need to access these methods, you can simply just call this modular methods. So that is the basic idea behind modules in Ruby. So in this video we will have a look at how to write a module, how to write a modular method inside that, and then how to call that modular method. Okay, so let us start our math module. So first I am going to write a file. Okay, and inside this file first I'm going to define my module, and the name of your module begins with a capital letter similar to classes, and end. So that is all about my module. Now there is no good writing modules like this, so we will write some modular methods inside that. So let us write a modular method which will square the arguments that you pass. Def self dot square, and let us name the argument passed as x. Okay, and this method is going to return the square of x. So here we have defined a module, and then we have defined a modular method. Okay, and the name of the method begins with self dot, and then you write the name of the method. So what is a modular method? A modular method is something that you can call on the module itself. So if you have to call this method, which I have defined here, beginning with self dot, if you have to call this method from anywhere, then you will write like math dot square. You are able to call this method like math dot square because this is a modular method. If you remember from the class videos, there were some class methods which we begin with self dot, and we were able to call those methods by writing name of the class dot those methods. Similarly here, these are modular methods. Their definition also begins with self dot the name of the class, and they can be similarly called by writing the name of your module dot name of the modular method. So modular methods are very useful for kind of writing utility methods. So if I'm writing a square, if I'm writing a cubic, if I'm writing a square root methods, then it's better I write it like a modular method. So anywhere if we use to write those methods, then we can just simply call them by writing the name of the module dot then name of the method, and then pass the arguments if there are any. Okay, so here I'm going to print the square of 2. How will I do that? To print I will use puts, and then I'm going to use this module that I have just created, math dot square, and then I'm going to pass the argument math dot square 2. So since this is a modular method, so I had to pass module, and then I will have to write the name of the method. So whenever you write utility methods, whenever you write libraries, then you will see that we kind of prefer this to write modular methods. Okay, and then anywhere you need to use that library, you use it like this. Okay, I'm going to run this file. Yes, so this is the value that I got. So math.square2 returned me 2 into 2, which is 4, and puts will print that on my console. So that is the way we write our modules and then modular methods inside them. So that was all for this video. See you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.